So why the SEC would attack Coinbase and other lending platforms? It's not hard to figure it out, and I think I did it, so I'm gonna show you. Also, I don't think that Bitcoin bottomed out. We will still see some correction, some rumbles on the road until we go back up. Nevertheless, we need some volume. Also, somebody should tell Elrond that yeah, we had a flash crash, and this kind of movements are just shaming the other cryptos. Hi, my name is Sabi and I'm here to help you with crypto. So if you like crypto, consider subscribing. Let's dive in. Before we start, the usual, use a VPN. If you want to get in contact with me, Twitter, Discord, everything is in the description. Please help me triggering the YouTube algorithm. Smash the like button, comment something, comment if you didn't like something or if you liked it, I don't know, whatever. Watch the video and then tell me whether you liked it or not. We are at the Bitcoin price chart, and as you can see right now we are sitting exactly on the 200-day moving average. This is the 1-day chart. And I'm afraid that this dip is not over yet. And the reason is that we are very, very close. Yes, the 200 moving average held the price, but between this support level and this support level, we don't have much activity, as you can see this on this chart. And that would mean that if we drop, we probably drop down to the 40,000s. That is what I think will be the next level to catch the price. And yeah, that would be somewhere here. Now, I am not trying to scare anybody here, it's just a possibility. Somebody commented yesterday that she doesn't treat this like a correction, she treat it as a bear market's last pump or bull market's last pump, and now we are gonna descend. And this is also a possibility. We need to keep in mind all the things which are happening, and we need to keep in mind that we might not go back to the all-time high. However, I don't think so. I'm still standing by my statement, which I'm saying since the big drop here in May, that this was a correction and we will go back and make some new all-time highs, and this will continue until at least December. Anyway, September usually is not a good month for Bitcoin, therefore, as you can see, we also dropped, but the volume was depleting a bit, therefore we need some lower prices in order people to start buying it back. Now, Elrond. Well, Elrond, yeah, I don't think that I have to explain too much here. This might have to do something with the Maiar exchange from the 130 somethings to 200. That was a 50% gain or growth, and yeah, I'm happy to see that. This resistance line somehow stopped the price, and if we successfully break it through, and I don't think that we will do that, let's say today or this week, but if we stay in this range and create, I don't know, some kind of resistance which then turns into support, I think in no time, especially if the Maiar DEX will be launched and the test will be successful, we will break this all-time high and we go in price discovery. Now, I invite you a bit to a dreamland or future, where, however you want to call it. I would like to call it future. Here is a market cap of .com, which will show you that if Elrond had the market cap of another coin, what would be the price. So if Elrond would reach the market cap of Solana, the price would be 3,000. If Elrond would reach the market cap of Cardano, which is not in the near future, I think, but hey, it's always possible, the price would be 4,000. If Elrond would reach the market cap of Ethereum, yeah, the price would be 20,000. And everyone is dreaming about the market cap of Bitcoin, which I don't think it's possible in the next 10 years, but let's just try it. Let's just try it. The price would be 44,000. That's a 222x. That is also a bit of a stretch for a new project which was just launched and it's in the hype. So let's just not expect that we will reach these numbers in the next 1 year or two. But on the long term, this is not impossible. At least that's what I think. But we do need 2-3 bull markets for this kind of price. So the SEC will stop at nothing to control entire crypto space, says one of the articles. The other is that Coinbase is attacked by SEC. They didn't really specify about what, but it's the problem is with the lending protocol. They don't like that they pay a 4, 5, 10% yield on the staked stable coins, and I will show you why. Okay, whenever you take out some money from the bank, switch it to USDT and give it to Coinbase or Celsius, for example, to get a very good yield per year, you will not buy bonds and you will not leave your money in the bank's savings account, and it hurts them. But why wouldn't you let it? Well, let me show you. The average yield for the bonds in the US, if you put it for 3 months, it's 0.04%, for 6 months 0.05%, for 1 year it's 0.07%, and Celsius gives you at least 4%. You have to lock it for 30 years to get 1.94%. Now this is fun, but the problem is that this year's inflation was 2.1%, so you are in minus. So the banks, the best yield is given by Quorum, it's 0.6%, and that's it. That's the best yield which you get for your money from the bank, 0.6%, when the inflation is 4 times bigger. Let's go for the United Kingdom. United Kingdom government on bonds give you a 0.2% for 2 years and 1% for 30 years. Therefore, if you put your money and lock it into government bonds for any duration, you will go in minus. Therefore, this is why SEC is attacking all the lending platforms. Or simply the money is avoiding them. Nobody wants to lock their money with the government, with the banks, and they paid a lot of people who lost their jobs and they didn't want to return to their jobs, stimulus checks, and they just emptied the treasury. Just for your information, UK right now is raising the taxes, and they already raised the tickets which you get. For personal experience, 1 year ago I got a ticket for parking. It was £30, and in the same place this year, 2 weeks ago, I again forgot to pay for parking and I got £50. That's a bit harsh. That's almost 50% increase from 1 year to another. This is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked the content. If you did, subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. See you tomorrow.